Good evening, everyone. Welcome today. Today, in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, yes, almost weekend Friday, February the 10th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars. We have here 3 stars and a 4 stars Sudoku. Then 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. The 3 stars I will do, the 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Why not all? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, and I've already solved today 2 regular puzzles, yeah. And the first I will start is the 3 Stars Sudoku, number 5939. 5939. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. It's the kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 20 to 30 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s. No, correction. 3 2s, 4 3s. All right. 1 4, 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 1 8, and 3 9s. So the 3s are a majority. Can I start with 3? Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, don't need 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 3. 3 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. We have a pair, the 6 and the 9 in this column, the 6 and the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes at there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So we have here 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 2 4, 1 2 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? 1 2 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. All right, 7. Then 7 2 2. Let me see. Right. Yeah. 7. 8. How about? Let me see. Yeah. 2. Okay. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. And a 5. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. Oh wait, we have a pair, the 5 and 8 in this row, first row, 5 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay, then. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I need a 6 here. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. I'm thinking. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. No. 4, 8, and 7, 4, 8, and 7. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers in the middle row are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7, 8 in this box. The 7, 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright. 4, 4. Okay. And I need a 2 here. 4, 4, 4. Well, we have a 4 in this column. 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then, 4, 4. 4, 4. Could be a 4 here. Need to think. 5. How about 2, 2. No. 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. So, we have a 1 in this row. Last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Yeah, and I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright, cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay, then. 5, 5. 3, 3. Well, we have a pair. Seems like we have a pair. No, not a pair, not a pair, not a pair. Yeah. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left now in this column for number 6. Alright. Okay. Then. Then. 4 and the 6. Need a 6. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Wait. 9 and 4. Okay, 9 and 4. Then. 5 and 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Okay. How about 8 in this column? First column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One is the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left now in this last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. One box left in this first column for the number 1. Yeah. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And then, two missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this column. Third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4. In the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number, I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Is this really a 3 stars? Well, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The 4 Stars Sudoku in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.